Turning back now to domestic politics, Democratic Senator Claire McCaskill and Republican State Attorney General Josh Hawley officially won their party's Senate primaries this week in Missouri. So now the race for one of the most closely watched swing seats in the Senate is on, as Republicans hope to take the seat away from the Democrats this fall. Abigail Robinson brings us the story now from Washington.
The Missouri Senate race is one of the toughest to win in 2018. And voters are focused on a major issue that could spell trouble for Democratic incumbent Senator Claire McCaskill, confirming Judge Brett Kavanaugh.
I think if she votes against the Trump nominee, I think it'll be enough that if the Republicans get organized and get back together, they can defeat her.
President Trump won Missouri by almost 20 points in 2016. Congresswoman Ann Wagner says many in her state supported Trump because of the president's potential impact on the court system.
It's huge. There are a lot of voters that I talked to, especially in my district during the last election. Some of them voted for Donald Trump, specifically because of the court, not just the Supreme Court, but what he would be able to do to impact the federal bench also.
McCaskill hasn't publicly announced her stance on Kavanaugh and plans to meet with him in August. While she voted against Justice Neil Gorsuch's confirmation, she tells CBN News she's voted in favor of 68% of the president's picks and tries to work with her Republican colleagues in Washington.
That's what people really want. They want us to quit yelling at each other, and they want us to start working together. And I've got a lot of proof points that that's exactly the kind of senator I've been, and I'm hopeful that that will be enough.
Her Republican opponent, Missouri Attorney General Josh Hawley, a former clerk for Chief Justice John Roberts, says he thinks the most important vote a senator casts is for a Supreme Court justice.
Senator McCaskill needs to be leading her party on this issue. She should be out there challenging Democrats to support Kavanaugh, and she should pledge to support him right now.
One priority facing Hawley is trying to repair and unite a state Republican Party that's struggled since the May resignation of Governor Eric Greitens over reports of affairs and misconduct. Hawley and McCaskill will face off in a series of debates before the November election, and both parties see this as a critical Senate seat to win in 2018. Reporting from St. Louis, Abigail Robertson, CBN News.